All right, today we're going to go through the mechanical purge fusion gun. We're going to go through a little bit of the daily maintenance. So all we want to do is, after we've relieved the pressure and brought the gun to our workbench, just unscrew the air cap, unscrew the tip retainer, and then using our little screwdriver, we can remove the saran tip. This one happens to be a round tip. After soaking it overnight, we have a tool, got a bit of a shovel point so that we can just clean out the backside. We don't want to really get in there with a razor blade because it will affect the pattern. Run a drill bit through the center nozzle hose and make sure that's clean, and we can let that sit overnight and put some grease into the ports if it's going to sit overnight on the bench, just to make sure no moisture got in there. Really, that's about all we have to do with this gun.